Hello guys, this is Jin. I'm leaving Tonga today. And here I'm in the check-in. Hopefully it's all good, not that expensive for oversized bicycle. This is crazy, you know what's happening? They charge my bicycle $500, $522 USD. Like my flight is only $160. Now they charge me like super expensive, and I don't have that money. Like I'm going to have a bankrupt. I didn't buy in earlier because last time they give me discount, even I didn't ask it. I thought that maybe I'll get some discount this time, and now she's charging like crazy. So my flight is $160 and you're charging $522. But
if you can't pay that $522, you can't take that back. You either think of which one to take, and that's it.
so last time in Nandi, I used Fiji Airways, same airway, like now.
You can make a complaint to the website.
No, the thing is that last time at the counter, from your company, give me discount. I didn't ask discount. They say, oh, you know what? Here's the discount. You get discount. So I didn't buy extra luggage. Oh, maybe I can get discount because it's the same company. And now same company said different things. Like, oh, you have to pay $522. But my flight ticket is $160.
From here
and
to Fiji?
This is too
And then to
much, really.
Wellington.
So can I talk to someone higher than you?
If no one is hired here, and then
The 500 was USD.
Tonga. Top. Check-in's gonna close.
I thought they
I didn't say US. It's top.
Everything is so weird. She charged me $528 at first. I tried to pay with credit card, and actually she charged $255. And then she said I have to pay $130 in cash. So I went to ATM and get the cash and I gave, and there's no any receipt about that. So she couldn't charge what she said, even she asked in cash some money, and she didn't give me a receipt about that. I'm going to talk this when I get to Fiji, Nandi airport. Here I'm back to Fiji. Actually I feel better, less stress, because kind of accepting that traveling in the South Pacific with a bicycle is the way to get bankrupt. But no, I didn't get broke yet, and I can survive if I stay really feel tight. But
Once again, this is the holding calls. All remaining guests, 198 pounds for Brisbane.
I'll do this 3 times more. Let's go to Fiji Airway office to talk about what's happening in Tonga. Hello, could you check the system that how much I paid previously for the extra luggage, please?
Okay.
255 Tongan dollar. That's what I charged. My manager is confirmed that I only paid 255, but she asked me to pay in cash 130. Could you check what's the extra luggage? How much is the from Tonga Tap to here by kilogram? Could you check, please?
$15 for 1 kg.
So kilogram, per kilogram was 15, but she charged me 22 actually, Tongan dollar. And do you have to pay extra luggage and oversized, or I pay only one thing? The bicycle from Australia to Fiji, and Fiji to Vanuatu, and Vanuatu to Tonga Tapu. I only paid one of these, like oversized or extra luggage. So is it like only pay one thing, or I have to pay both of them?
Should be one thing.
And she did actually tell me wrong information. She said that I have to pay 522. She wrote this at the Tongan airport. And then actually she issued a different ticket that it was not this amount of money. It was less money. And then she charged this in cash. Say that, oh, you can't pay oversized with a credit card. Yeah, you have to go to ATM and then get the cash. So I get the cash from ATM. But you say that actually I can pay both of them by credit card. And she did the wrong information. That she discouraged me to take the flight actually. She said that she's a manager.
Okay, she will send the receipt, ma'am. Yeah, this is the cash. This is the receipt.
She just right now, isn't it? There's no any system time.
This is manual receipt.
Can I get the receipt from the system?
I don't have anything. This is
Thank you so much. Okay, it's a whole funny story. Here, back to airport. We keep saying bye and hello again.
Yeah, bye, Jan.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Yeah, touch.
Yeah, stay in touch. It's so pretty busy. I need to fix this bicycle box a bit. You see that? Here at the counter, didn't charge oversized. How many times I take the Fiji Airways from Australia to Fiji, and then Fiji to Vanuatu, and then Vanuatu to Nandi, and Nandi to Tonga, and from Tonga to Fiji. That was the only problem. She charged both, and previously they never charged both. And this time again, from Fiji to Wellington, New Zealand, they didn't charge oversized. And even she charged oversized in cash separately, and that was not on the system. Anyway, the most important thing is this time the check-in, this time ticketing was so easy. I'm free to go to New Zealand. I'm so excited to. I'm leaving the South Pacific. There was a problem yesterday, but today, so far okay. But in New Zealand, I don't know what can happen. I hope my bicycle stays strong. Here I arrived in New Zealand. Here I'm in Wellington Airport. Now I'm actually going to domestic airport. My bicycle passes biosecurely, also my tent. I'm so happy about that because I was worried about like if I'm stuck at biosecurity, how can I go to Auckland? But actually it all passed without any problems. I'm so glad. I just got the information the flight from Wellington to Auckland is cancelled. Here you go, never works as you plan. They say there's a flight tomorrow morning. Even they say they offer the hotel, but the problem is I have a bicycle. And it's typical, like taxi is expensive, you know, come and go out. So I'll try to find another flight today. So I got to provide the airport hotel just right next. So I'm taking trolley to the hotel. Are you sure the room? Let's see. Oh, look at the view. Oh my god. Look at this, there's a flight's coming. Wow, I never stay at the airport hotel and this is crazy. There's no noise at all. This is amazing that they cancel my flight and provide this hotel. It's 2 times more expensive than my flight ticket. This is a really weird experience that the bad thing brought so many good things. They provide free food as well. Then I'm going to Auckland. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, thanks. Ah, it's so easy, easy, easy. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. So I purchased 40 kgs and oversized on the website. And actually everything was 48 kgs and I was like worrying, oh, 8 kgs over, but I think oversized is classified as a different one luggage. So even maybe I didn't need to buy 40 kgs, and maybe I should buy only like 30 kgs. And I'm so happy, easy, easy, easy. Traveling with a bicycle, it's really, really difficult and it's like mental challenging, like worry about money. Yeah, I can't buy flight tickets just same price. I must check always baggage allowance. I'm so happy. I'm going to have coffee and some bread. And it's so funny the way he actually explained about my bicycle. Smashed box with plenty of tape. What a good start morning. Yeah, hi. How are you?
Ride somewhere.
Oh, my friend is coming to pick me up.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you in New Zealand.
Yeah, thanks. See you. Hi, Robert. How are you?
Welcome to Auckland, eh?
Thank you.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, nice to see you
Jeez, I
again.
can't believe it, eh?
Yeah, it takes me like 4 years. Thank you so much, Robert.
Thank you, eh?
Thank you. I'm really
you,
happy
eh?
that I stop over here. Bye.
See you, have a trip, safe
Yeah,
trip.
thanks.
And we'll see you in Korea.
Yeah, see you in Korea.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm leaving to Asia. There's so much flight going on. It's early morning, 6:30, and full of people. Repack here, and I'm going to repack my bicycle. Literally every part on the bottom is all covered by tape. Everything is easy because it's Air New Zealand, very reliable. I totally trust it. It's only $360 for 11 hours of flight from New Zealand, Auckland to Taipei. What a deal! And 2 luggage free. It's amazing. That's why I came to Auckland. To come to Auckland was like complicated, but once here, everything is easy. my bicycles. It survived over so many flights, all from the South Pacific and Oceania. Good job, good job. I'm in Asia, Taiwan. Oh, I'm so close to my home, nearly. It's the closest time and distance I've ever been, like from my house. I'm so excited. I'm so tired after 4 days. Keep taking all the transportation. Everything is so well done. Good job, Jin. Good job, Box. Good job. Good job. Nice. Oh, I'm going to miss this box. Hey,
Nice to see you again.
how are you?
I'm fine.
It's been so long time.
Okay, thank you. Where's Taiwan? Come on. Okay.
Oh, there's so many cars. Wow. Whoa. No, it's interesting, interesting. I didn't see many cars before. Wow. Oh, it's unbelievable. There's so many people. And big building. Whoa, motorbike. Wow.